9 real ways to make money with Canva in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. 10 clients in one day. That's $2,000 in a single day, all because of one tool, Canva. Hello, Billionaire Farm. My name is Remy. On this channel, we teach how to use AI tools to create passive income, build digital businesses, and grow your wealth through smart finance strategies. And today, I'm showing you 9 real ways to make money with Canva in 2025, even if you're starting from zero. Canva isn't just for making pretty posts anymore. It's a full-blown money machine when you use it the right way. So if you have ever said, I want to make money online, but I don't know where to start, this video is for you. Number 1, first up, print on demand. Back in the day, you would need a designer, a printer, and a warehouse. Now, you just create your designs inside Canva and connect them to sites like Printify, Teespring, or Redbubble. They print and ship your designs only when someone orders, so you never hold any inventory. It's one of the easiest online businesses to start for free. Number 2, Canva templates. Template design shop. Create Instagram posts, planners, or business templates on Canva. Upload them to Etsy or Creative Market. Every time someone downloads your design, you get paid. Sell 10 templates a day at $10 each. That's $3,000 a month from your laptop. Number 3, branding packages. Small businesses are always rebranding and they need fresh visuals. You can offer Canva branding packages, logos, social kits, and packaging mockups. Charge anywhere from $300 to $800 per client. You're helping businesses look professional and getting paid for your creativity. Number 4, teach Canva. You don't need a degree to teach Canva, just skill and confidence. Host a workshop on Zoom, Teachable, or Thinkific. If you charge $200 per student and get just 10 people, that's $2,000 in one day. And yes, you can record it once and sell it forever. Number 5, next up, lead magnets. These are free checklists or guides that help people grow their email list. You can design these in Canva and sell them for $50 or $200. Coaches and small business owners need them every day. Number 6, freelance design work. Want fast money? Go freelance. List your services on 99 Designs, Design Crowd, or Fiverr. Offer simple Canva design work, social media posts, flyers, thumbnails. The clients are already there. You just apply and get paid. Number 7, pitch decks. Here is where the real bag lives. Startups pay big money for clean professional pitch decks. You can design those slides right in Canva. Most clients pay $500 to $2,000 for a single deck. That's one client and rent is paid. Number 8, social media design subscriptions. Offer monthly Canva graphics for a fixed fee. Think of it like a Netflix plan, but for design. 10 clients paying $200 each per month is equal to $2,000 steady cash flow. Number 9, and finally, design subscription services. This one completely changes your business. You can hire a small business that designs your thumbnails monthly for a flat fee. Now imagine flipping that. You could be the one offering that service. You design for creators, coaches, or brands. They pay you monthly. You stack up recurring income, soft lifestyle. So Billionaire Farm, Canva isn't just a design app. It's your soft life money printer. You can start from zero. No audience, no followers, just your creativity, your phone, and your Wi-Fi. Don't wait for perfect conditions. Start where you are with what you have, because someone out there is already making money doing what you keep putting off. Now tell me in the comments, which Canva idea are you starting first? Print, templates, or subscriptions? Let's see who's getting to the bag this week. And if this video inspired you, like it, subscribe, and join the AI Money Farm, where we learn how to make money online the smart, soft life way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.